If you deploy a checkpoint environment with the security gateway and a security management server, you'll be able to run it for up to 15 days, but after that, it's going to stop working. And let me show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to use Smart Console to try to log into my security management server. And you can see that it's going to throw this error message saying the evaluation license expired, which means that we can't access the management server to make any changes at all. Now, imagine the following. If you are starting for the CCSA, CCSC, CCSM, or we deployed a POC for a specific scenario, what are the options that we have to continue our study? No, option one is to deploy again everything from scratch, get the Gaia OS, set the roles as the security management server, the gateway, deploy the objects, and all this process that is going to take some time to complete. The other option is to use the same environment by requesting a temporary license on checkpoint that will be able to run it for up to 30 days. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. We see how to request a license on checkpoint for free and install it on the security management server. Okay, so first you go to Checkpoint User Center and create an account for yourself. Okay, so and then you're going to land on a page like this. The next step will be to create or register an account that's going to be like for a fictitious company. Okay, so just go to Assets Info, My Accounts, and then you're going to create an account. After that account is created, then you go to Try Our Products, Product Evaluation. And here you're going to select the option all-in-one evaluation, click on next, and here you're going to select the account you just created before, and here you're going to type the management IP address, meaning the security management IP address. In my case, I'm just going to type 92.168.43.89, and the purpose of evaluation, let's see, evaluation of a software, blade, or a feature. And I want to confirm that I acknowledge the blah, 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 blah. And then I'm going to click Get Evaluation. After we receive the license, there are two options to install it. Either we can use the CLI or we can use Gaia Portal. But in this scenario, we're going to use the CLI, which is going to be way faster. So I'm going to bring my terminal here. And I'm going to log in to 192.168.43.89. Yes. Okay, and I'm just going to run this command because I had Gaia Portal open. Oops, what have I done? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to copy the license for the management server. So I'm just going to grab all of these, Control and paste. Okay, the license was installed successfully. Remember that we have the management server and the gateway. Now for the gateway, I'm just going to remove this part and I'm going to select everything else and copy and paste. Okay, so following modification, let's just double check whether the license were installed successfully. That should be status. And we should see two licenses, one for the management server, the other one for the security gateway. If we go to Gaia Portal, let's go to maintenance, license status. Let's see if it already updated, and yes, it was updated with all the blades that we have, and that's great. So now it means that we should be able to log in using Smart Console. So let's go back, try to log in again. Now it's initializing services, which means that probably it's ready to use. Okay, and now we're back to log into Smart Console. I'm just going to say no thank you, do not remind me again. And this might take some time to show that to clear these errors. So go to alerts. Yeah, it's going to take, just give it a couple seconds. It's going to clear all of these. So let's go security policies. And trying to update by installing a policy. I'm going to change here the action to accept and install the policy. Click on install. Okay, after some time, we're going to notice that now the gateway shows, now the gateway in security management server show that the license status is okay, no more alerts, and we are ready to continue using the checkpoint environment. So this is how you deploy a checkpoint trial license on a security management server and the security gateway. If you took value from this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one.